Hello everyone, I'm Swati and this is the revision video 1 on the chapter integers. Okay, in this video we are going to solve some different types of problems based on integers. The first problem is a grocer blends 11.25 kg of green tea with 12.35 kg of ordinary tea and repacks all tea in 118 packets of equal mass. Find the mass of each packets of tea. A grocer blends 11.25 kg of green tea with 12.35 kg of ordinary tea. There are two types of tea. First is green tea and the second is ordinary tea. Mass of green tea is 11.25 kg and mass of ordinary tea is 12.35 kg. What the grocer do? The grocer mix both the types of teas. So total mass of tea after blending is equal to 11.25 plus 12.35. We add both the types of tea and by adding we get the result 23.6 kg. Now grocer repacks the tea in 118 small packets. The grocer repacks all tea in 118 packets of equal masses. Find the mass of each packet. Total number of packets is equal to 118. And what we have to find out? We have to find out mass of tea in one packet is equal to total mass of tea by number of packets. Total mass of tea is 23.6 and number of packets is 118. By dividing 23.6 by 118, we get 0.2 kg. Now what we do? We change the kg into grams. For that, what we have to do? We multiply kg with 1000, then it convert into gram and we get the mass of each packet is 200 gram. What is given? The mass of green tea and ordinary tea is given. Grocer blends both the type of tea and repack all the tea in 118 packets. So first we find the total mass of tea, that is 23.6 kg. Now this tea repacks into 118 packets. So mass of tea in one packet is equal to total mass of tea by number of packets and we get the mass in each packet is 0.2 kg. Now we convert kg into gram and the mass of one packet is 200 gram. Okay. Now the second question is, if the sum of minus 8 and a is minus 3. If the sum of minus 8 and a is minus 3, then find the additive inverse of a. What we have to find out? Additive inverse of a. First, what is given? Sum of minus 8 and a. It means minus 8 plus a is minus 3 is equal to minus 3. Now arrange all the constant in one side and variables on the other side. So here 8 is in negative. So when we change the side of 8, it becomes positive. So a is equal to minus 3 plus 8. This is the addition of unlike integers. So we get a is equal to 5. Now what we have to find out? We have to find out additive inverse of A. So the value of A is 5. So additive inverse of A, that is 5, is equal to minus 5. Okay. What we have to find out? Find the additive inverse of A. Additive inverse of 5 is minus 5. Okay. Now the third question is, an architectural drawing of a building shows the elevation of the basement floor to be minus 4 meter. The elevation of the roof is 10 meter. What is the total distance from the roof of the basement floor? The drawing of a building shows that the elevation of the basement floor is minus 4 meter and the elevation of the roof is 10 meter. So student, if it is the floor, if it is floor ground level, then the basement is below the ground. So this is basement and the building is upside of the ground level. So it is the building. Now student, it is given the elevation of the basement floor to be minus 4 meter. This distance is 4 meter. Here minus means the basement is below the ground level. Minus shows the basement is below the ground level. The elevation of the roof is 10 meter. It means height of the roof from the ground is 10 meter. What is the total distance from the roof to the basement? What we have to find out? We have to find out the total distance from the floor of basement to the roof. So first you write elevation of the basement of floor is equal to minus 4 meter. Negative sign represent that the basement is below the ground level. Okay. Now what is given? Elevation of roof is equal to 10 meter. Now what we have to find out? We have to find out total distance from the roof to the basement. So the total distance becomes this plus this. This height is 4 meter and this height is 10 meter. So the total distance becomes 14 meter. Here minus only shows that the basement is below the ground level. Okay. In this way we solve the different types of problems based on integers. Now that's all for today. Take care and have a nice day.